Good morning, students. Today we will continue with present continuous tense. The present continuous tense calls attention to the continuing nature of an act, event, or condition. Its rule is subject plus is or am or are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. It is used for an action going on at the time of speaking. For example, she is singing. That means she is singing now. The boys are playing hockey. That means the boys are playing at the boys are playing hockey at this time. Second is for a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. For example, I am reading a book, but he is not reading at that time. For an action that has already been arranged to take place in near future. For example, I am going to the cinema tonight. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. Next is present perfect tense. It is used to describe the action that began in the past and continues into the present or has just been completed at the moment. Its rule is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. It is used to indicate completed activities in the immediate past with just. For example, he has just gone out. It has just struck 10. It is used to express past actions whose time is not given and not definite. For example, I have never known him to be angry. Mr. Hari has been to Japan. It is used to describe past events when we think more of their effect in their present than of the action itself. For example, Gopi has eaten all the biscuits. I have cut my finger. It is used to denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing to the present moment. For example, I have been ill since last week. We have lived here for 10 years. Next is present perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action, event, or condition that began in the past from a period of time which continues into the present. Its rule is subject plus has or have been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, he has been sleeping for 5 hours. It is used for an action that has already been finished. For example, why are your clothes so wet? I have been watering the garden.